Hey everyone, this is Clint from Five Archers, and this is another Tachyon Reef dev blog. Uh, Made a cool little addition, a little, it's pretty lonely to bottom of the sea, so I thought I'd add a little helper robot guy that will eventually have, oops, he's right inside me here. Here's the little guy. Right now he could just build a little platform, but I'm hoping that I can hook into some sort of voxel editor program and somehow read the data or set him up so that basically you could have a library of shapes and just tell him to build. But anyways, it's a fun little guy. Looking all around, wondering what's up. So let's set him to work. And I'm going to hit the enter key. And he has no colliders or anything right now, so he might clip right into the terrain. I'll have to figure out how the best way to do that. I'm hoping I can do something with these tentacles of his, because they are actually controlled in real time by inverse kinematics, which means that basically you could tell the computer, I want the tentacle here, and we'll try and bend it so that it will touch the right spot. So anyways, he's done his little platform. Now the placement, I'm going to need some sort of placement tools too, because right now it's just like you're eyeballing, like I want to hit right about the center here. I can still dig with the sub and clean up his little mistakes, but so eventually it also, oh, see I got off just a little, and it's really tricky with this kind of terrain. And just, you can see those little hiccups, and it's just, that's just as the terrain generates. The computer needs time to update the colliders and the graphics and everything else, so it could be a little hiccupy more so than in Minecraft, but it's still pretty powerful. So I can still edit. I just excavate, which is basically dig a giant chunk, or place a giant chunk, which gets tricky because you could end up placing it so that your sub clips through it, or you get wedged in the geometry. He won't have that problem. Oh, let's send him in there. So again, I just hit the enter key. I'll try and get this build up in the next day or so, hopefully for Mac and Linux too, for those of you who are in the early access. If you want to send me some feedback to Quentin@5archers.com, that'd be awesome. Just little things you could do. Eventually, like all of this would be a bit like in Minecraft, where you'd have to collect, or lots of games now, but you have to collect the proper resources to do the building, power the robot. So I could also, I don't know, I might have like a collecting robot that would go around and pick up stuff for you. So anyways, I just thought it was a cool little addition. Got a bit of character to him. I got to add some much better sounds and maybe some fun idle animations and things. And obviously he'll have to interact with the fish at some point. He doesn't have any way for anyone to interact with him except just telling him where to go. But eventually you might have to protect him from some fish that are a little too curious. But with the IK on the tentacles, I'm hoping that we could do cool stuff like have them swat a fish away or something like that. So anyways, also, if anyone has feedback as to what I should call the little guy, that would also be awesome. Right now it's just called the egg. I guess I could come up with some like short form, whatever you call it, TLA for him to make up the word egg, but I don't think that's the best name. But anyways, thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the Tachyon Reef site. I'll leave a link right to itch.io where you can get in on the early access before it even hits Steam. Thanks for watching.